Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create curved text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show create curved text. Now select format text. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for a WordArt option. Now select from a WordArt. Double click, then click for OK. Now this is your text. Then select from a fill color, then choose color and click for outline color. Now click for outline and we did. Then going to the change shape option, then choose a curve. Now choose that is. Now choose from curved text. Now apply from your choice in the curve. That is. Then you show create curved text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.